Wildfires have torn through Syria's Latakia countryside, scorching over 15,000 hectares of forest and farmland since July 2nd. Entire villages have been evacuated, thousands of trees destroyed, and smoke now reaches as far as southern Idlib. The blazes, fueled by extreme heat and strong winds, are among the worst environmental disasters the country has faced in recent years.
لكن مع اشتداد سرعة الرياح اندلعت هذه الحرائق وأخذت باتجاه آخر يعني. فالأحوال الجوية في بعض الأحيان تساعد وفي بعض الأحيان أيضا تساعد في انتشار هذه الحرائق.
Following a coordinated mobilization by Syria's Ministry of Emergency and Disaster Management, Ministry of Defense, and Ministry of Interior, international assistance, joint efforts, Turkey, Jordan, Iraq, and Lebanon sent helicopters and firefighting teams to help battle the blazes. Inside Syria, over 120 firefighting teams and 80 fire trucks alongside army units are fighting the flames across rugged terrain.
نيران الحمد لله تدخل فريق الدفاع المدني والفريق الأردني والفريق التركي ساهم بالحد من هاي النيران وحمينا هاي القرى ورجعت أهاليها قعدوا فيها مرة ثانية.
While several hotspots remain active, joint operations have succeeded in preventing the fires from reaching densely populated areas. Environmental experts warn of long-term damage. 3% of Syria's forest cover may already be gone. Meanwhile, investigations into the cause of the fires continue, with arson still unconfirmed. As Syria continues to fight the fires and damage to nature, people are calling for better warning systems and long-term recovery plans. But right now, the main focus for the government is to protect lives and save the forests.